Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Smith. Today, my intention is to give you a short tutorial about the features of the HTML editor SeaMonkey. It's also a web browser, but SeaMonkey has some features like its own composer, which, as we're starting here with SeaMonkey, another SeaMonkey, more SeaMonkey to say, we are going on to the composer page. Composer page is how we do the HTML design for it. Sorry about that little jump. I did not I did not think that it was going to expand as much as it did. For the purposes of this recording, I'm using only half of my screen in order to monitor all the things I need to do. So, to start things off here, we're going to open up a new file in Composer, which we already have. We're going to go and navigate to a file that I already have specified for this demonstration. It's related to another English course I'm taking. It's for infographics, but this is going to be another way to display the data in this case. As you can see here, I'm doing this on Mick Foley, a professional wrestler. Well, former professional wrestler. He retired. Well, not retired, but he had to end his career earlier this year because of the multiple injuries he has sustained. As you can see, we have a little title, little subheader, we have an image of Mick Foley, a little description, a bunch of data, a bunch of his memoirs, fiction, and the sources at the bottom. With SeaMonkey, we can improve the way it looks. We can give a better demonstration and better appearance. To start things off, I want to focus on the memoirs, the fiction, and all that at the bottom. Give it a better demonstration just having all the information next to each other, maybe put into a table. So in order to do this in SeaMonkey, we go up to the top here and click on Table. This will give us a choice for rows, columns, the width of the table, the size of the borders. Even Advanced Edit, there's a lot more information to do with, but that has nothing to do with this focus right now. So for now, since we're going to be doing this on the books that he has written. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 books. So we're going to go with around, let's go with 12 columns for now in case we need to add more at a later point. There's also the date. Right here is the date for the books. There's a title. There's a publisher. There's an ISBN number. Let's have a column for every single. I screwed up about there. So we should want the rows to be around 12, and we want the columns to be about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go about 5 columns. And width, we don't want it to be the full width of the website. We're just going to go and put it onto about, let's say 85, just for giggles. Right there, we have all these books, all this information we can put there. So we're going to fill it out a little bit. Year, title, publisher, ISBN. We'll go back here, 1999, 2001, 2007, 2010, etc. And go up here again, grab the title. Copy and paste is probably the quickest way to do this. I'm not including the period at the end because I don't believe that is actually part of the title of the books. Give me a little bit later, I'll double check. Then publisher, etc. We'll just do a little bit here with Regan Books. Right there, boom, done. We can go up here. There's all this information, all of his injuries. I'll be using that sometime later for something else. We can go on to an exercise and injury here. The title of this, because, well, he's the king of getting injured. We can increase, decrease, bold, underline, italicize, etc. But I like going up here. We have the options for the body text, paragraph, heading, 1, 2, 3, all the way 6, address, pre-format, all this wonderful information. I wish I started out with this. I know, contradict to myself. I'm cool that way. We have this exercise and injury now, increased in size, drawing our attention straight to it. And with Mick Foley here, starring Mick Foley, we'll go with heading 2, a little bit nicer. Then we come down here. This is all body text, but maybe we want to put this on like paragraph. We have all these settings, we have all these styles set up that make it so nice to deal with. Up here, image I put in earlier. Here I'll put in another image. Just click on image location, and choose your file. I already have a folder set up for everything. Scrolling through here, maybe I want another Mick Foley image, but not that one. Maybe one that's a bit more Mick-ish. One that's he's better known looking for, like Mankind right here. Boom. With that, we can adjust the width, the height in here. Click right here, just edit the values. And I like how they look right now, so I don't see any point in changing the values at all. We're just going to click OK. Oh, interesting. Well, I guess I have to put alternate text. So, Mankind. Bada bing, bada boom. We have Mankind right there. That's about all the time I have at this moment. I will certainly add another video to explain more about this, more features in this, all the interesting things you can do in SeaMonkey. But for now, that's all I have for you. Hopefully this taught you a few things about SeaMonkey. Hopefully you learned a few things. And hopefully you're not tired of listening to me. This was Thomas Smith. My YouTube handle is Delacroix Walrus. Weird one, I know, but I hope you have a pleasant evening.